this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can make money from Google by just clicking, right? It sounds really easy. And bear in mind that I do not waste your time on this channel. I just jump straight to the point. I don't show you unnecessary things that other people show you, right? So we're just gonna go straight into the video. So the first thing you wanna do is make sure you download Firefox, right? This is the browser that we are going to be using in this video. Firefox, not Google Chrome, not whatever browser, Firefox, right? So make sure you get yourself Firefox. Now, after you have Firefox, the next thing you want to do is I want to show you guys something before I start the video, right? So I just want you guys to understand something. So we are on Google, right? So I'm just going to search for, let's say you're new in town and you want a barber shop, right? So we're going to search for barber, barber shop near me, or just click on barber shop or whatever, right? So once you click on barber shop, as you guys can see, these results are going to show you barber shops that are close to you, right? That's what it's going to show you. But one thing you guys don't notice is that if you scroll down, you could see that there's number 2 page, number 3, number 4, number 5. There are a lot of pages, but you guys only click on the number 1. Like, you only choose from this first page list, right? Now, why is that? It's because it's faster. Nobody ever goes to the next pages. So what I'm about to show you guys is related to this. Now, every single business is gonna want to be on this front page, right? But unfortunately, not everybody can get to the front page here. So let's go to the next site. This is where we are gonna be making money. So the next site is called Serpclicks.com. Serpclicks.com. Basically, what this site does, as you guys can see, it says grow your SEO rankings using crowdsourced click traffic, low cost, blah blah blah, easy to use, real clickers, right? So now I don't know if you're beginning to understand, but what this site does is that it lets you, it lets you as a business pay this site for them to give people your link to click. So basically, let me just put this in a simple explanation. This site allows other businesses that are not on this homepage to, pay money, and real people like us will go and click their link to rank them above other people here. And then, basically this site provides them, they pay the site money. That's just how it works. But that's none of our business, right? We are here to make money. So what you want to do once you come to the site is scroll all the way down. Just keep scrolling down until you see become a clicker. Once you see become a clicker, click on the link, and it's going to take you to this page right here. Now, as you guys can see, it says get paid to visit websites. It's as easy as that. Earn $0.05 to $0.10 per click. See, it's really easy. Payout minimum $5. So the payout minimum is $5. So if we do the math, it's going to take you around 50 clicks just to get to $5, which is really insane, right? So without wasting your time, if you want to get started here, just scroll down until you see click here to join the network, and you click on that link and it's going to take you here. Now the registration page is basically like straight to the point. I will not waste your time here. Email, password, and you're going to be using PayPal to receive your money, right? So bear in mind that if you don't have PayPal, find a way to have yourself a PayPal or use your friend's PayPal. So email, password, PayPal, confirm PayPal email. This is an optional link. You don't have to fill this box and submit. It's really easy. Once you click on submit, the next thing you want to do is download the Firefox extension of Serpclicks. The Serpclicks extension is on Firefox. This is the reason why it works on only Firefox, not other places, So once you download that extension, you could definitely see the extension once you register. So once you download the extension, you're pretty good to go. So you could start making 0.05 to 0.10 per click. So long story short, I'm just gonna do a quick recap on this video. There are sites that are not on this homepage and they want to be on the homepage. They come to Serpclicks.com, and Serpclicks.com help them. They pay Serpclicks.com. Serpclicks.com help them to get on the homepage. And how do they help them? They pay us, which is you, to click their link, as you guys can see here. So if you understand right now, you know that this is an easy way to make money, right? So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is what I do on this channel. I find simple ways to make to make money online rather, and you guys should just watch the videos, like it, and subscribe if you gain anything from the video, right? So let me know if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, like, and I'll catch you guys on another one.